reporting and definitely regulatory reporting becomes more complex. Why more complex? There's more regulation. Regulation gets updated very frequently. You have the IFRS updates. In a couple of years, it's also the invoicing reporting and so on. So there's always new regulation. You're growing as well with some new acquisitions. So new data sources come into play into your IT and data architecture. But the fact is that it is becoming always more complex and more input needs to be sourced to more outputs. And then the question is, how can you gain control over it? So we recently surveyed our clients on how manual or on how automated the reporting process is today. And 51%, so half of our clients confirmed that there's still a lot of manual intervention done during the closing process, extracting data from one system, sourcing it into another system, or even Excel. Excel still remains a very important player and team member in finance organizations. So if there are some late adjustments, we need to update everything. So the single source of truth is in most organizations not yet in place. And that is, of course, a challenge from your efficiency and consistency point of view. What is the ideal state? Take the opportunity to move to what we call a reporting automation hub, or in other words, a kind of centralized data hub. What is it? It's a software, it's technology, but that technology will help you to automate and to gain control over the process itself. But a reporting or data hub actually sources data from different systems and it links it to one data model, pushing that data to templates. So in other words, by implementing these platforms, it will become less time consuming, your reporting process. In those platforms, you have full audit trail. So you see every step, even if there are manual interventions done or corrections done, everything is locked in those systems. There's a workflow behind it. Certain reviews or validation needs to be done. And of course, it makes sure that your data remains 100% consistent and accurate. In other words, that will lead to much more confidence and much more assurance over the accuracy of your financial data.